I posted my experience, the first time experience, importation experience, and today I want to talk about something pertaining the importation. A lot of you don't really know what importation is all about. Some persons are like, did you just wake up and just found yourself importing? What happened? How did you come about it? What led to you deciding, like making the decision to go into importation? I want to say this first. You must have a goal. You must have this mindset that is just the thing. Whatever you're doing, aside importation, whatever you're doing, you must have a very productive, positive mindset towards whatever you're doing. Same as importation, same as anything you're doing. But I just want to make this video first because I'm yet to drop should I say a comprehensive video about the importation, how to go about it, how to start, like what is importation itself. If like this is your first time of hearing the word importation, I know this is not your first time, but just in case this is your first time of hearing importation, what is importation? How do you start? How do you go about it? If you're interested, how do I start? Like, what's the first thing to do if I want to go into importation? Now, there are a lot of things. Importation is a compound word, and there are a lot of branches. So today I will just kind of here and there. Then my next video I will take it one after the other. What you need to know, what you need to do, the app you use. Okay, I want to pay, which app I use, and all of that. Now there are so many countries to import from. We have China, we have Turkey, we have US, we have like a lot of countries. So basically, yeah, I import from China. You have the app, the 1688 app. There are other apps though, but basically I use 1688 app. I use Alipay for payment. Some persons will be like, okay, how do you even, you use 1688 app. How do you? I know. When you get to the app, when you download the app, you have a lot of stores there, basically suppliers that you can link up with. Now, my next video, I just want to enlighten everybody what this importation is all about. Now, my next video, I'll be giving detailed on how to go about it. How do I source from my supplier? How do I make sure that my goods get to the warehouse? Like, how do I make sure? There are a lot of things. So my next video, I'll be dropping detailed information on how to go about it. So please, if you're interested in importation, maybe you want to go into skincare products, you want to go into electronics, you want to go into phone gadgets, like you want to go into anything, please share this video, subscribe to my channel, like and comment, encourage me so that I will bring more goodies your way. Now, I promise to give you free class based on my experience, my personal experience, how I started, what I knew, the things I didn't know, the things I discovered myself. Because so someone taught me, but there are things I discovered myself, like your ability to refund. Because sometimes your supplier might send your goods, and even if you came in like after a month and you discover that your goods are not complete, maybe you order like 20 pieces of something. Let me just use facial mask for example, and when the goods came in, you discover that it's 19 or 18 or 17. You need to ask for refund. You need to get your RMB back. So how do I ask for refund? Or there's this experience stuff I experienced. I ordered the goods, I ordered a particular product, and I was told that this is out of stock, that I should ask for refund. Now I'll be teaching you how to ask for refund, step by step way of asking for refund, and you get your refund complete. Some persons will tell you no, that they'll just refund you the money you use in purchasing. They won't refund you the delivery money. No, I will teach you how to like recover every dime you spent, both the delivery money and the goods. Now let me continue my gist. You know I like gisting. Let me continue my gist. So after I purchased the goods, they were like, oh, this is out of stock, I should ask for a refund, which I did. And later there's another, I think I added a serum and a face cream. So after everything, I discovered that my face cream, from the tracking that they said the buyer decided to pick it up by him or herself. I was like, me, when did I decide to pick up myself? I was like, and it cost a lot. So I had to tell them, please, please, I need a refund. What's going on? I said, I need to, because the surest way to ask for a refund, the surest way for you to get a refund is when you're getting it, like you go through the app you use in paying. Like I use Alipay for my payment. You go through the app, like go through them, ask for a refund. After a refund, they will send a message to the store that so person is asking for a refund. Now I was told that the money that they will give me will just be for the cost of the goods I bought. That I won't be giving the delivery money. And sometimes the delivery money is even higher than the actual price of what you bought, because sometimes you might buy a product and the location you gave them, the warehouse where it's located might be quite far from the store, so they have to transport it to your warehouse, the address you gave them. Now the address I even gave them, the price for taking it there, the delivery price was even higher than what I bought. So I was like, nah, you guys must give me my money back. I went back to their chat. I was like, please, I need a complete refund. They said, okay, if I want a complete refund, I should go through my payment, like my mode of payment where I paid, and they will have to send a message to them. I don't know if I'm making sense at all. I know that some persons that don't really know what this importation is all about and be like, what is she talking about? Then persons are like, okay, they have a little knowledge of what importation is, will be like, okay, yeah, I've had some experience. But my next video, I'll be dropping detailed, like I'll be taking it one by one. What is importation, countries you can import from, how to source your money, which app should I use for payment, how to create a WeChat account to get direct to your supplier. See, a lot of persons will be like, yeah, come to me, I'll help you source your product, I'll help you get a supplier and all of that, then you pay me, my dear. I'll advise you to do your thing yourself. Some persons will be like, okay, yeah, I'll pay an agent and everything. My dear, this importation is not difficult. Do your thing yourself. Don't allow nobody to tell you, okay, come to me, I'll help you, you just have to pay me importation money and everything. Everyone is trying to hustle, everyone is trying to make money. So don't be the scapegoat, don't be the CBN. You understand what I'm saying? Don't be the CBN. Make your money yourself, do your importation yourself, source your money yourself, pay your supplier yourself. Don't allow anybody to tell you, I will help you and see, they're making money from you. They're making money from you. So my next video, I will give you detailed information on importation. Please, if you want this free class, because it's going to be a free class, I'll be taking it one after the other. Like today I will drop this, tomorrow I will like detailed on how to start your importation business, whatever you want to go into. Is it clothes, is it shoes, is it whatever, I will be teaching. Please, if you want me to do this, please encourage me by subscribing to my channel, share, comment, like, and I'll be there for you all. It's a win-win. It's a win-win. I love you all.